Sri Abdul Wahab ji. Abdul Wahab ji, 5 minutes.
Yes. Thank you very much, Chairman Saab. First of all, I congratulate our woman finance minister, especially Tamilian. Tamilians are known for accounts and auditing. And being a Tamilian, we expected a wonderful budget from her. But as usual, as a finance minister of India or anywhere else in our state also, they can have such a budget only. Some fantastic changes, it is impossible. Otherwise, just like Manmohan Singh in 1991, just like him, he had to have structural reforms, which our Modi ji has got a wonderful mandate. 300 plus he got, and plus his allies, it is coming around 400. And they can do whatever they want. But still, at this early stage, they are not going for a structural reforms. As usual, increasing the tax, increasing the, whatever cess and all, it is continuing just like that. You see the defense budget, total is 9% of total this one, and 18% we are giving for the interest. Whatever money we are raising from foreign borrowings, most of them it is giving, calculated for giving the interest, what is happening so far. So from where you will get the money? So only way is to increase tax and all. It is as usual in our state, everywhere it is doing the same. And the next thing is on petrol or diesel. Everybody has to buy it. And things are going on just like that. There is no structural reforms here. That is the main point. Our lady finance minister, we had a lot of expectations, I told you before. But the finance ministry executives or the bureaucracy, what they are giving, it is just like going on just like that. We expected something great from Modi ji this time. Last 5 years we know, so many yojanas. I am also doing some yojanas in my capacity as in my villages. Wonderful programs, especially in skill department. It was before it was under HRD, our Madam Smriti Irani ji. Later it went to skill development now. It is wonderfully okay, but where is money? The money expected is not there allocated. Whenever we are spending money on our behalf and thinking that the government will support, it is not coming as before. JSS, Jan Shikshan Samsthan, so was a wonderful project. It is not by our BJP government, NDA government, but they were continuing that one. Whether in between there was a thinking of stopping it and all, I hope Smriti Irani ji is here. That's why I'm telling. They continued. Now still continuing under skill development. But enough money is not there. Because skilling is the important factor in India. It is needed skilling. Employable people we need. We are giving graduation certificates, but they are not skilled, employable. But now the government is turned their, one department has opened and the ministry has opened, and it is a wonderful thing from this government. But actually, what is going on, aisa hi chalta hai. And nowadays, especially our NDA government, with the thumping majority, only little less maybe in Rajya Sabha, it will be soon will be corrected, I hope, because what is happening in Karnataka and all the, this one in Goa and all, soon our this Rajya Sabha will be also with only BJP members or their NDA colleagues. Don't look there, there is enough time.
Yes, 2 minutes more you have.
Yeah. So no, it is.
You can see
what
in front
happens
of
to me, I am not a writer just like any other people. There is no flow. So when you are looking here and me, then I got, because I am not
no, for you it is there. For me it's there.
Anyway, this, I have noticed some points. One is around this one about this ECBs. ECBs, external, this commercial borrowings. The interest what we are paying maybe seems less, 6% whatever, but the hedging cost is much. In 2008-9, we borrowed at the rate of maybe Indian rupees $38.40. Now it is 68.70. So we are now paying the interest for that amount and all, the double, the amount become, principal amount become double. And I don't know, end of this regime, maybe 90. I hope. If it is 90, we are safe. Yeah, everybody is saying 100 per dollar. What is happening? Then what will be the interest cost? This is one point I have to make. And second is the imprudent borrowing makes India pay, as I mentioned. 5 minutes over? Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you for following in time.